Meaning of elope.
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 Elope. Elope means to run away secretly with the intention of getting married without the consent or knowledge of others, especially parents or guardians. It typically involves leaving one's home or place of residence and traveling to some distance to marry in secret. The result of elopement can vary widely depending on individual circumstances and cultural factors. In Western cultures, eloping may be viewed as romantic and adventurous, while in some other cultures, it may be seen as a breach of tradition and carry social stigma.